Are you building a house in Nigeria and your builder insists that you must include a German floor in your house? And you're wondering, is German floor even compulsory? Join me in this video as we answer the question, is German floor compulsory in building construction? And I shall also give you information relating to the importance of German floor in houses. Join me as we analyze the importance of German floor in this video. Welcome to Housing Info Nigeria. This is the official YouTube channel of housinginfo.com.ng. My name is Emmanuel Amadi and I am the host of the channel. So, what is a German floor? Firstly, the word German floor is a layman's way of referring to what we call concrete oversight or concrete oversight bed. Also, it can also be called the damp-proof course. It is actually a concrete bed poured on top of a house foundation so that the construction of the house can continue from that level. As a matter of fact, the German floor or concrete oversight is actually the floor of the foundation of any building. Now, before I answer the question, is German floor compulsory in building construction? First of all, let us understand the importance of this damp-proof course. Because if you understand its importance, you will now know why it is needed in building construction or why it is not needed in building construction. So, what are the importance of German floor? First, a German floor provides a platform for people to step on while using a house. Also, on this platform is where you place your furnitures. So actually, the floor of the foundation is what is called the German floor because it is a concrete floor. Secondly, it prevents dampness in houses. Water from under the foundation will not penetrate easily to the top of your floor because of the German floor. Because in the German floor, you can also provide what is called damp-proof membrane that will be in form of a waterproof to prevent water from penetrating from under the foundation to the top of the floor. Also, the German floor or concrete oversight provides a platform for the continuation of your building construction. So after the foundation construction, you will now continue the building from the top of the German floor. You continue the construction of the building on that platform. So, is German floor compulsory in building construction? The simple answer is yes, because based on the important role it plays in houses, you cannot have a floor in your house without a concrete oversight. So you need it so that people will step on the floor of a building and activities will go on. Also, without the German floor, water will simply penetrate from under the foundation to the top of the floor. Now, this question always arises during the construction of the foundation of a house. The argument is, should the German floor be done at the foundation stage or after the foundation stage? It is possible to do the German floor after the foundation stage, but that will be only if you are building a bungalow. Because for story houses, it is compulsory that you will do the German flooring or the concrete oversight at the foundation of the building construction. Now you have to understand that before the pouring of the German floor or concrete oversight, the foundation should be filled with laterite or red sand. Then after filling the foundation with red sand, you have to compact it and compact it very well so that the foundation or the sand will not sink inside after the pouring of the German floor. While compacting the sand, you can use a compacting machine or the laborers on your site can do it manually. However, this compactment should be done under the supervision of your builder or the engineer on site. Then, once they have concluded the compacting of the sand, you can now pour the German floor. However, you can still choose to add hard cores on the foundation immediately after filling it with red sand. That is, if you are building a story building or if you're building a duplex and you choose to put hard cores, you can also put hard cores. That will make the German floor, the concrete oversight, to be strong so that any kind of weight can be placed on top of the floor and there will be no problem. Another reason why you may add a hard core after filling your foundation with laterite before the pouring of the German floor is if you are building on a weak soil or if you're building on a swampy ground. So the hard core will help to prevent water from moving from under the foundation to the top of the floor. And you can also add a waterproof membrane or a damp-proof membrane that will help prevent water from penetrating. So a hard core will be needed if you are building on a swampy soil or on a weak soil. Also, if you're building a high-rise building, maybe the building is maybe 2 floors or 3 floors, then you will need a hard core to help the German floor to be strong enough to withstand any kind of object that will be placed on it. Though the German floor or the concrete oversight is not really a structural aspect of the building, but it helps to maintain any weight that will be placed on top of it. So there you have it. German floor is compulsory in building construction, and this is simply because of the important roles it plays. Now, I also want to add that every architectural design contains the concrete oversight bed. So why would you want to omit it while building your own house? I understand that maybe if you're building a bungalow, you might be thinking that it is good or it is better to do it after the building must have been raised. Okay, you can do that, but you can also do it at the foundation level, which is even better because the concrete oversight is part of the foundation. But if you choose to do it after raising your house while building a bungalow, that might not be an issue. But make sure you do the German floor or concrete flooring before roofing your house. That will keep your house in a safe position. That's you have it. Please subscribe to my channel to receive more content like this. I will see you in my next video.